Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and just sharing some of the features of this 7000 milliamp Dyson V8 battery replacement. So let's get it opened up. I'll show you what it comes with and tell you a little bit more about it. Alright, so inside you of course get the battery replacement here. Like I mentioned before, this is a 7000 milliamp battery. It's actually intended to be more powerful than the original batteries that come with the V8 series Dyson vacuums. So that is really incredible. And then you get a little screwdriver and some screws to get those replaced, because that is all it takes. Just unscrew the old battery and get this one screwed on and you're good to go. And then you get a new pre and post filter. And of course, instructions in case you need any information on it. And this battery does come with a few other extra features as well, like overheat, overcharge, and short circuit protection. And then it does have this little slip resistant back. So if you are not using your Dyson, you can utilize this to help it stay up against the wall. One, it's going to help make sure it doesn't damage your wall. And two, it's going to help keep it in place so that it can stay upright and not on the ground. And it does come with this little dust cover here, so if it's not in use, if it's not attached to your vacuum, you can have that protected so that it's ready to go when you do need to use it. So if you have any kind of Dyson V8 series vacuum and your battery power has faded and you are looking for an upgrade, this is a remarkable choice. It's going to give you back all of that strong power plus some. You guys are sure to love this, and it's going to give new life to your Dyson.